Hey guys, my name is Nikki and I want to welcome you here to Carrie Grace. Alright, so I am going to be making shrimp and grits for you guys. I've had a few of you message me and ask me about the recipe since I posted it in a meal plan and I'm making it, so I thought I would just kind of show you guys how I make this. I don't follow a recipe for this, I just make it. I'm sure there are lots of other ways to make it, but I keep it very simple. So I'm just going to show you guys how we make it. And also, this is Nikki post pull, so sorry about that. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is cook grits, and you're just going to cook them according to the package directions. So I've got that going, and then once this is done, then I will start on the shrimp. For the shrimp, I've got about a pound of shrimp here. I think it's a little bit less. This was just frozen shrimp. I thawed it out, and I've just got it on a paper towel waiting to go in my pan. I've got some olive oil and some butter, and this is what I'm going to cook the shrimp in. I'm also going to season the shrimp with this Tony's Creole seasoning. I would normally use fresh garlic, but I am out, so I'm going to use some garlic salt. Alright, so my shrimp is in the pan. I finally got my pan nice and hot. And I'm going to cover this in some Tony's. Definitely use this at your discretion. Use it how your family likes it. Ours likes it kind of spicy, and since we have it with grits, that does kind of help with the spicy. Now I'm just putting some garlic salt on there. I don't think I mentioned that the shrimp was already peeled and deveined, so if you get shrimp that is not peeled and deveined, you definitely want to do that. So I'm just going to let these cook for a few minutes. Alright, so I just added some more Tony's. I thought I'd hit record, but I hadn't. Like I said, since we're having these with grits, we can handle more heat. Yum. These aren't quite done yet. I'm going to let them cook down a good bit. Alright, so I've turned the heat off on the shrimp. They are done. I'm not going to take them off the heat, but it has been turned off. Alright, so my grits are done, and now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of butter. And then I'm going to add a little bit of milk. You can use cream, you can use half and half, you can use regular milk. Just whatever it is that you like. I normally use some kind of cream or half and half, but I don't have any on hand, so this is what we're going with. I'm just going to stir this up, and I can't really do this with one hand, so I'm going to set the camera down. Alright, so hopefully you guys can see what's going on. I put you on a different tripod. I'm going to take some Parmesan cheese. I am not going to measure this, but I'll just kind of show you how much I dump in here. Now on the grits, for us, I just followed the directions for 4 servings. So that's maybe probably a cup. Alright, so now I'm going to add some shredded Colby Jack cheese. Of course, I'm not going to measure this either. You can use as little or as much as your family likes. I'm just going to give this a good stir. Alright, so here's how the grits look. And then I actually didn't mean to let these cook this long. I wanted to leave some liquid, but I didn't. But that's okay. So now I'm going to plate this up and show you guys what it looks like. Alright, so that is shrimp and grits. Like I said, I cooked a little bit too much of the liquid out just because, mostly because I was filming and wasn't paying attention. But usually the liquid kind of absorbs into the grits and it's so good. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this very quick and easy recipe for shrimp and grits. Let me know down below if this is something that you have had. Let me know if it's something that you would like to try. This is definitely a southern thing, so if you've never heard of it, let me know that also. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.